Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. I'm Shannon Larsen. I'm a realtor in the greater Las Vegas area with eXp Realty. And this week's video, we're going to be touring a beautiful model home. Now this one is called the Cameron, and it's part of the Hayford Collection by Pulte Homes in a community that's just outside the master plan community of Southern Highlands. Now, if you're returning to my channel or you're brand new, I want to give you a warm welcome. Either way, I want to highly encourage you, before we get into the video, to go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell, as it always keeps you in the loop of the latest information and the latest videos and home tours that I do. Now, getting back to the Cameron, this is a single family home, which is 2,180 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Starting base price right now is just under $610,000. Now, the Cameron, like I said, is a 1-story design that features a private owner suite with a luxurious bath and a really big walk-in closet as well. Now, there's also a flex space at the front of the house, which really gives you a lot of flexibility for your family as well. And there's also a smartly designed kitchen that features an island that overlooks the gathering area, cafe, and is really perfect to keep all your guests and family connected and engaged on those entertaining nights. So without further ado, let's go ahead and enjoy the tour. So there you have it. What a beautiful home. And I'm telling you what, one-story homes are really sought after in the Las Vegas area. So if this model or a one-story home is something that you may be interested in, definitely reach out to me. If it's not something you're interested in, you're interested in something else, reach out to me. I can definitely look at information. I'd be more than happy to help you. Again, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. And again, I want to highly encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're always in the loop with the latest information and newest videos. Again, I'm Shannon Larsen with eXp Realty in the greater Las Vegas area. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week. Take care.